I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to clean up your WordPress website when you set it up for the first time. So all you need to do is to, on this page, when you scroll down, you could see a whole lot of messages right here, and this is not what we need. Our dashboard needs to be clean so we'll be able to do this. So all I need you to do is to go to this side called the screen option, click here, and uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck this activity, uncheck this quick start draft, uncheck this WordPress event and news, and uncheck this welcome page, which is welcome to WordPress. We have assembled some links and a whole lot of things. Click here, and back. Now our WordPress dashboard is so clean for the first time, and now we can start doing something so professional. So host to these pages, and let's see what is right here. And you can see we have these pages right here. It's not what we need right here, so we can move all this to trash. So we can just click here, move all to trash, then apply. And now this all should move to trash, and now we still have an empty stuff here. So we can create our first page, and we're going to create a home page. So all you need to do is to click here. Now let's go here, let's restart or refresh our blog, and still we have this hello message right here. I'm going to show you something. When you come here, let's click on add new. So you're trying to add a post new PHP page. Okay, so let it load. It's still waiting for my firstgrain.epc.com at the bottom corner here. It's trying to create the page, but due to the internet service, it's so slow. I don't know why, but you still need to be patient. Perfect, and welcome to the blog editor. Okay, click on next. We don't need it, just close it. And let's put in our title here for the first time. We're just going to type in home. Then, now when you click on home, when you come here, now you could see our link will be my first girlfriend. You need to click on the perma link on the right side of the web interface dashboard. Okay, then you could see now our page will be my first girlfriend / home. But look here, we don't have this kind of / home here. We have a query here. When you put in one, it brings you to this page. Okay, so what we're going to do is to just type in a home page, and now this is how our home page will be like. And we publish this, and I'll show you why we need to publish this for the first time. So I'll just click on publish, then publish. Perfect, and now we can view this page. And now when you come here, now we have our home page, which is empty with the / home. It's not this again. Okay, now it's / home. And now let me show you why we publish this. Well, when you go back to our dashboard, let me go back. Perfect, we have a home page now. When you come to settings, come to reading, now because we have this, we don't want to display this. We want to always, let me go to my website. Okay, this. Now when you come here, what we see is when I click on home, it brings me back without the / home button. Okay, we still here. And if I type in / home / it also brings me to the same website as a home page. Now we want a way when we click here, it will still send us to our home page without using the / home. Okay, so this is why at first I told you to publish these. When you're creating the home page, I told you to publish it before I show you some trick here. So you could see when I did / home, it brought me here, and when I click on home again, it brought me back to the website. So what you're going to do is in our reading settings on the dashboard, what we're going to do is to choose a static page here. We click on this, and now you can select our home page as home because we created a home page at first and we publish it, so it has been shown here as a list down. So all we need to do is to click on this home and save the changes, so that anytime when you create a home menu here, as we've created a page with that, all we need is to click it. It will bring us to the main website page, and when we click on /home, it brings us to the same website page. So all I need to do is to save these settings, and we are good to go. That's all perfect. Settings save. And now anytime I create a menu, I'm going to show you how you create all those stuff. And you create that just like this menus here. And I click on any of this at the home page, it brings me here. Now when I use /home too, it also brings me to the main page. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we are going to learn a whole lot, but we're going to install some plugins and we'll be using that to build our website. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay safe, stay tuned, and I bring you more. Take care.